Huawei is gearing up for its first major product launch event of the year in China next week, and speculation is running high. Could this be the moment when the highly anticipated Huawei Pura 80 series makes its debut? The latest teaser from Huawei has certainly fueled the rumors, leaving fans and tech enthusiasts eager to see what unfolds on March 20. The company recently dropped an official teaser titled the Pura Pioneer Ceremony and Homing Smart Driving New Product Press Conference. The mention of Pura Pioneer Ceremony alone has been enough to spark discussions about the Pura 80 series. Adding to the excitement, Richard Yu, Huawei's senior executive, reshared the teaser with a cryptic message about blockbuster products on the way, further strengthening the belief that Huawei is about to introduce its next-generation flagship smartphone. For those unfamiliar, Huawei rebranded its P series as the Pura brand last year, positioning it as a lineup of premium flagship smartphones with cutting-edge camera technology and advanced AI features. Given that Pura is the only series of its kind under Huawei's umbrella, the inclusion of Pura Pioneer Ceremony in the event name strongly hints at a potential Pura 80 series launch. Another important clue lies in the term Pioneer. Huawei introduced the Pioneer program with the Mate 60 series and continued it with the launch of the Pura 70 lineup. This program allows select customers to purchase new flagship devices ahead of their official sales launch, creating an exclusive early access opportunity. In previous instances, Huawei implemented this strategy specifically for the Pura 70 models, while other series like the Nova 13 and Mate 70 were unveiled through large-scale launch events. This raises an important question. Will Huawei follow the same pattern with the Pura 80 series? Despite the growing excitement, Huawei has remained tight-lipped about the official name of the smartphone, set to be unveiled at the event. This air of mystery has only fueled further speculation. However, with the event now just days away, more details about the upcoming device, including its design and specifications, are expected to surface soon. Another key aspect of this launch is the potential revival of the Pioneer program for the Pura 80 series. If Huawei follows the same approach as last year, the company might initiate the program on March 20, giving select customers early access to the Pura 80 series before its wider release. This strategy has been significant for Huawei, particularly in circumventing U.S. trade restrictions and chip regulations, as it allows the company to introduce flagship devices without advanced promotional campaigns. The Pioneer program also offers a unique shopping experience. Customers who participate in the program can get their hands on the flagship model before its official sale date, but the availability is often extremely limited. The first-come, first-served nature of the program means that only a lucky few will be able to experience the new device before the general public. Interestingly, last year, many expected Huawei to extend the Pioneer program to the Mate 70 series as well, but the company opted for a grand-scale launch instead. This led some industry watchers to speculate that the Pioneer program might now be reserved exclusively for the Pura lineup. If true, this would further solidify the belief that the Pura 80 series is set for a surprise debut on March 20. So, what does this mean for the Pura 80's official release? Early leaks and teasers are likely to surface, providing additional clues about Huawei's plans. Stay tuned for further updates as we get closer to the big event. If you're excited about the Pura 80 series and want to be among the first to know all the details, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech news and leaks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.